Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 04 May 2018, 17 of hour, 12 of minute and 37 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how long will rhubarb last in the refrigerator? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how long will rhubarb last in the refrigerator. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how long will rhubarb last in the refrigerator. Fresh rhubarb is quite perishable. Place the stalks in a plastic bag to retain moisture and store for 3 to 5 days in the refrigerator crisper drawer. To freeze, cut the rhubarb stalks into 1-inch chunks and seal in an airtight bag. Frozen rhubarb will keep up to a year at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Last update February 17, 2017. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.